제이디스와 함께 CRM의 헬기에 실려갔지만 건강하게 살아있었던 릭. 하지만 목숨을 끊으려 하는데 본편 다리 폭파 사건 5년 후 CRM에서 수탁인 신분으로 워커를 죽이며 살아가고 있는 릭. 자신의 팔을 자르며 CRM에서 도망치려 합니다. 하지만 도망은 실패로 끝이 나죠.
Excuse me?
I mean, that's where I need to be, but I don't know where I am.
That way.
Do you mind if I just...
I don't mind.
릭은 미션의 꿈을 꾸고 깹니다.
What happened on the bridge? I didn't think I'd survive. And I woke up in a military hospital. The people they rescue, they work in the outskirts. After 6 years of it to get into the city.
Could have used the other hand, huh? Rick got lobby the head of on your behalf. You may have noticed. I don't want to see that happen.
손을 자르고 도망치려 한 릭은 오카포의 보호 덕에 죽지 않고 살아남게 됐죠.
Been in me. He convinced them to keep me a consignee, and I kept trying to escape, but I couldn't.
I left the uniform in your apartment.
오카포는 릭에게 군인이 되길 종용합니다. 숙소로 돌아가는 길,
I should thank you instead of throwing glasses at you.
같은 수탁인 신분의 손. 생각이 많아진 릭은 공원으로
I
갑니다.
heard about it, but damn, you really did that shit for real, huh?
릭의 유일한 CRM 친구
2
에스테반.
years, you didn't even talk to me or anybody. Took a while, but we got something now. I mean, look, Rick, it's a big day, man.
그는 6년간의 수탁인 신분을 끝으로 도시로 들어가게 됐죠.
Walls. At least this Okafor dude's gonna stop trying to make you into a soldier and shit. Your next move when you're out there scavenging for twine or some shit.
릭은 에스테반의 말을 들은 후 마음을 바꿔 군인이 되기로 합니다. 군인이 된 후 새로운 의수도 생기고 군사 훈련도 받습니다.
Welcome to the CRM.
I do eat here every day.
Around this time?
You're pretty eager, aren't you?
Calming.
Come on, Rick.
오카포는 릭과 손을 어디론가 데리고 가는데
For a year. You're both soldiers now. About you two becoming leaders. Designates people they find as A's and B's.
오카포는 CRM의 분류 방식에 대해 말해주며 두 사람을 지도자로 만들려 합니다.
That can't last.
The city lives, it runs itself.
People can't leave. They're not free.
All the other secrets you'll receive when you move up the ranks?
Do they want us to be leaders?
No, this is just me.
Did you saying these things?
Don't say we.
He wanted to change things, change the army without them even knowing it.
CRM에 감화된 손과 아직 그렇지 못한 릭.
Trying to escape, taking your hand off by someone you love out there. The person you are trying to get back to,
She's not gone.
she isn't. They aren't. We are. Come on. Let's grab a drink before we kill each other.
다음 날 공원에서 CRM의 총책임자인 빌 소장을 만나게 됩니다.
Have a seat, Grimes. You and Thorne never would have been allowed into the CRM. Let me ask you a question, Grimes. Is Okafor up to anything I should know about?
No.
Why are you here? To die?
오카포와는 달리 소장은 릭을 완전히 믿지 않는 눈치였죠.
The army kept the city a secret at all costs.
Our latest modeling shows a tipping point.
탈출을 미룰 수 없었던 릭은 외부로 나가 기회를 엿보며 본격적인 계획을 세웁니다.
And I know you'll make the right choice.
Hey, where's your consignment jacket? You joined the CRM.
I need you to tell me where it goes.
There happened to be a padlock grate there that the code to open is 4399.
도시로 들어와 수도 전력 국장이 된 에스테반에게 도움을 받습니다. 그리고 탈출 계획 실행의 날,
Soldier, I found a way back to you. I got a walker body, left it with my dog tags. The corpse would burn.
수류탄을 던지고 탈출하려는 그때 화학 공장에 생존해 있는 아이로 인해 계획은 물거품이 돼버리고 설상가상 손에게 탈출 계획을 들켜버립니다.
Escorting her to extraction point.
Thank you, my mommy.
He's a good man.
기지로 돌아온 릭, 오카포를
We
찾아가는데
have the salute, soldier.
do you know about me?
오카포는 이미 미션에 대해 알고 있었죠.
Message in a bottle from escape number 3.
Those aren't my people.
Everyone, all your people, everyone alive. You made the choice.
You live for those people in that city because you got nothing else but your duty.
담담하게 릭을 회유하는 척하며 금세 제압해버립니다.
Bang! And I killed my wife and 4,000 other people. I tried with you, Rick.
Sorry. Just let me go.
No,
Do it.
I won't. They're still with you.
You have to see this. Look.
To ascertain the status of Omaha, and with it, nearly 90,000 souls.
Omaha let people know.
스타긴이었던 손은 점점 CRM에 물들어갑니다.
Those dolls you killed at the manor. That was our mother and father. Except we all want to be somewhere else with someone else. But we got stuck in that right place. I'm not sorry. I saved your life.
You didn't save my life.
At least there's one more good man in this world.
I thought about ending it. I couldn't do it. I've been writing you letters the whole time.
릭도 이제 더는 방법이 없다는 생각에 자포자기하고 CRM에 점점 감화되어 가죠.
I love you. I tried, but I failed.
Oh, to tell if there's anything on your mind.
I'm in.
You're the right thing for this force, Rick. I know you're the right thing for this plan. I'll tell you one more secret. When you get to
오카포는
that point,
뜬모를 말을
swear
하는데
on a sword.
그 순간 피습을 당해 오카포는 사망하고 헬기는 추락합니다. 계속되는 알 수 없는 공격. 정체는 다시는 볼 수 없을 거라 생각한 아내 미숀.
My name is Michonne. I lost someone years ago. I just found out that he's alive.
미숀은 유목민 커뮤니티의 일원을 구해주게 되고 이로 인해 커뮤니티의 대장인 애를 만나게 되는데
Just wanted to get to know a little bit about you.
I'm eager to go.
You know, if you don't find this person.
마음이 다급한 미숀은 애리 말을 길게 늘어놓자 그냥 떠나려 합니다.
Migration.
We don't know why, but this time of year, a lot of crowds, they move south.
Just stay with us for a little while. Get to know us.
If you don't want to give me a horse, I'm good.
Wait.
I'm out.
Jesus Christ, she was your sister.
Nat.
절친들이 살아있다는 사실에 안도하며 넷은 미숀에게 감사를 표합니다.
Hi. You want your own wagon? I don't leave people behind.
Yeah, me either. Let me get you a horse. Nah, she can have her goddamn pick. Come with me.
Where's the horse? Got you one of the best.
But if you give us a night,
One night.
something custom. We measure, you get to work. Copy that.
Thank you.
넷과 친구들은 미숀에게 보답하기 위해 커스텀 장비들을 만들어줍니다.
Let's go. Choto.
하지만 시작부터 난관에 빠진 미숀. 정체는 커뮤니티에서 이야기한 데이동. 가스맨의 폭발로 위험에 처하게 되는데 넷의 일행 덕에 무사히 워커 데이동을 빠져나가게 됩니다.
Fell off your horse.
Oh my God. Thank you for waking our asses up.
But it takes more than that at the end of the world. You showed them that. We'll take you as far as you need.
When I get Rick, you'll be a part of it. Gonna take a little building.
That I can do.
유목민 무리에서 떨어져 나온 사람들과 함께 릭을 찾아 나서는데 헬기에서 뿌리는 염소가스로 인해 아수라장으로 변해버리고 이내 사람들은 하나둘 워커로 변해버립니다. 가스로 건물 안으로 들어왔지만 일행들의 상태는 좋지 않았고
Don't risk it.
미숀은 친구들을 구하기 위해 의료단지에서 산소통을 가지고 오지만 이미 늦어버린 후였죠.
Thank you. She was right.
He's gone.
살아남은 미숀과 넷은 건물에 머물며 치료를 이어나갑니다.
The gas burnt out our lungs, our throats.
And they all died. You gotta know when to go.
그렇게 1년을 보낸 두 사람.
I marked the map. You can go to Alexandria. Aiden and Bailey were supposed to go.
This is all I got.
You. We'll leave in the morning.
릭을 찾기 위해 두 사람은 계속 길을 나서는데 상황은 절망적이었죠.
Your phone, you know what it says? The Japanese? Believe a little bit longer.
If he were alive, he would have found his way.
포기하려는 미션에게 넷은 용기를 북돋아줍니다.
It's not giving up. We'll start getting close enough in the next few days. Well, it's them. They're flying low as shit.
넷이 쏜 미사일로 인해 추락하는 헬기. CRM 병사들을 처리하던 중 드디어 두 사람은 뜻밖의 재회를 하게 됩니다.
I know.
They're coming.
Then we go.
No, it's too late. They're coming. Say you have another name. Don't show them who you are.
Is that him?
He's not with them.
Well, how the hell?
끝까지 용기를 북돋아주던 넷은 두 사람의 재회 후 죽음을 맞이합니다.
We helped you get here. Yeah. I need to have my gun on you, and you need to put your hands up. I love you!
정체를 숨긴 채 CRM으로 오게 된 미션.
And what was your weapon of choice out there?
Bow staff.
This is a place of law, which means you can never leave. How do you feel about that?
I feel that what's here is what I've been looking for.
릭은 미션에게 그간의 일을 이야기하며 짧은 대화를 나눕니다.
They're okay? She's okay?
She's okay. The rest when we get away. They kill people, Rick. Have you had to?
No.
Could we stop them?
No. Sorry about your friend.
And we're gonna get home.
Hi, Rick.
그의
Been a
방에
while.
들어와 있는 제이디스.
In a world where most people are dead, she found you. It was her sword. But I'm keeping that off the books.
릭이 떠나지 못하게 미션을 거론하며 협박합니다.
Rick, what the fuck are you doing?
제이디스를 만나기 몇 시간 전 릭은 손을 찾아갑니다.
There's a woman who saved me. You gotta make sure she stays.
Why?
You helped me. I'm here. She should be too.
그리고 현재 자신의 방에 들어와 있는 제이디스에게 미션을 데리고 떠날 수 없게 협박을 받습니다.
Timely demise. I just put a little file among my possessions to people that you love.
She doesn't belong here.
Then she shouldn't have come here. If you try with her, everyone back home dies. She's very, very lucky. Thorne stepped up. Did you do that? So have your life together here.
Shoto, it's Daito. I found him. He's been trying to come home all this time. They've stopped him again and again. But Shoto, they can't stop us.
Got through him quick? You out there a while?
Yeah, were you?
Yep.
Chinese, clear!
릭과 손을 찾아온 빌 소장.
Thing is, I'm not sure about you. Martial arts, the book of family traditions. I gave it to Okafor too. Thorne, I need to speak with you privately. Let's take a ride.
Yes, sir.
손은 빌 소장과 함께 간 이후 주임원사로 진급하게 됩니다.
He also asked me about Kosaini Bethyun. I just want you to know she reflects on me now.
She won't. I'll make sure.
You will. Thank you for listening.
진급한 손은 벌써부터 상관 대접을 받으려 하죠.
Sergeant Major.
Good night, Command. Sergeant Major.
상황이 다급하게 흘러가자 릭은 본격적인 탈출 계획을 세웁니다.
This is it. Tonight, we gotta move fast. Tonight's will bring even more.
그날 밤 미쇼는 릭의 쪽지를 보고 탈출을 감행합니다.
I left you a little something.
약속 장소로 향하는 릭과 미슌. 릭은 미션을 탈출시키기 위해 워커를 미션으로 위장시킨 후 홀로 기지로 돌아갑니다.
She's gone. And you're helping me make her stay gone.
She actually left without you.
Didn't know she was leaving without me. I found a body. I made it look like she died trying. Tore it apart, tore its face and scalp off.
I'll make sure I'm on point when Dana goes gone, and I will get to work.
You're in real trouble now, Sergeant Major.
하지만 미슌, 릭을 놔두고 탈출할 사람이 아니죠.
She doesn't look like someone who relies on others for safety.
Heading to the right, we can talk. To get away, you need someone on the inside.
Choto, it's Daito. I had a chance to go home, but I couldn't do it without the brave man. That it could have replaced us. I found something. You're the one who drew me.
Yes, he would come every few months and ask for a new one. He knew he'd see you. He knew it.
Thank you. Now I'm looking for him.
Believe a little bit longer.
Bethune! Come with us. Now, I don't know much about you. And save someone very important. Sergeant Major Grimes saved my life once. It's my family now. Why did you save him?
He was on the ground, helpless.
Him?
Well, I don't know him.
You're a leader. What we call an A. You look for answers. There is only one way to get those answers. Those secrets. Would you take it?
Yes.
Sergeant Major, ensure she's properly equipped.
Weapons?
Kill stick only.
손은 미슌을 무장시켜 작전에 동행하게 합니다.
Cascadia forward operating base.
There's nothing out here. What's it protecting?
The security of the Civic Republic. The future. Mission assigned, mission deployed. At the ready. Squads are out in operation, so it's on us. The objective is 200 plus incoming Delts moving towards the breach. Stealth is the play, soldiers. Gold weapons and pneumatic rifles only. Grab the ball, let's go.
Who has the ball, ma'am?
I do. Because they're all slow sacks of shit. Consignee, stay on formation.
More incoming, blocking the way!
I said you off the line!
바퀴가 진창에 빠져도 혼자 잘난 손은 홀로 해결하려 하지만 금세 포기해버립니다. 남이 앞서 나가는 꼴은 절대 못 보는 손.
Let's go. Come on.
자존심이 상한 손은 미션을 쏴버리려 하는데 릭이 알아차리고 막습니다. 권력이 생긴 후 뒷끝까지 진급해버립니다.
You handle all the shit work.
I'm headquartered here now. Beautiful view of the Cascades. She hasn't seen me. She saw me.
It doesn't matter. I belong here. You don't. And you will never change that. You hear me?
Choto, I'm sorry. I don't know if we'll be back.
릭을 데리고 헬기에서 뛰어내린 미슌. 두 사람이 도착한 곳은 사람이 살지 않는 고급
I
아파트.
can't believe you did that.
I can't believe you said that.
The hell is this place?
You want to call them here? This was one of my faves growing up. Judith's gonna love this. You've become a bit of a creative writer these days. Poetry. Give another masterpiece for your children and chose not to come home to them.
릭은 또 다른 자식이 생긴 걸 알게 되는데
I was pregnant when the bridge happened.
You need to give me the PRB.
After saying that we were
You have no idea who we're dealing with. I tried everything. I'm trying to get you out of here alive.
What they make you.
You think I want this? Are you gonna give it to me?
We just let them win.
I want you to live. She left it all behind. Who we are, where we're from.
Okay, we destroy it. We kill her, and then we go home.
We need to go back.
Do you still love me?
I've never stopped loving you.
위치 전송기를 릭에게 넘기는 미슌. 그들의 눈에 들어온 건 건물에 처박혀버린 헬리콥터.
Jadis will think we died in there. They all will.
I'm not going home.
You know your son? He calls you the brave man. He started calling himself Little Brave Man. We just got a way out, and you want to stay.
여러 차례 탈출의 실패를 맛봤던 릭의 생각은 변함이 없었죠.
Do you remember the life we built? You won't come home with me? To your life?
I don't want to do this. I have to.
Your wish is granted. I'm out. I found you, fought for you, I pleaded with you, and now I have to go.
참지 못한 미슌은 홀로 나가버리고 로비에는 워커가 돌아다니고 있었고 설상가상 무전이 끊긴 헬기를 찾으러 온 CRM. 헬기를 찾자 흔적을 없애버립니다. 급히 도망가지만 건물은 점점 붕괴되는 상황.
To create a new, more sustained and hopeful tomorrow that may be remembered as one who refused to leave the world the same way I found it. It's just like this place. I thought they knew it all. This is not you!
That I would give everything.
The only time I feel safe is when I'm with you.
I was taken away. I didn't have a choice. You did.
You think I'm not beating myself up for not being with my kids right now?
That's why you should go.
I don't know who you are.
We're getting out of here.
I had this.
I had this. Can't you move it?
I can. You should go.
These bolts are holding this thing together. Sean!
You gotta go.
That is never happening.
Just need to hear that. Thank you.
Never have to thank me ever.
붕괴가 잦아들자 다시 방으로 돌아와 잠시간의 휴식을 취합니다.
You did this to get away?
It was the only way.
You're still trying. I see it, even through the bullshit. I'm sorry for what they did to you.
We gotta get out of here.
Not until we know where we're going. When this army attacked my friends, I got hit too, trying to recover with Nat for a year. We, your family, are real. I'm real.
I don't know if I won't lose you again. What?
That loss. If Carl were here right now, what would he say? For us to just go our separate ways? We go home, Rick.
빌딩에서 탈출한 두 사람.
Is this a terrible gift to bring to RJ?
You're bringing yourself back. It's more than enough. Thorn was so tight.
Okafor found her, and she stopped trying.
이동하던 중 위험에 처한 사람들을 구해주고
Calcified or something. Got your baked and you're boiled.
먹을 것도 나눠주고 돌아서려는데 돌변하는 saram들.
No, they helped us. You wanna just take it back?
Hell no. Promised us to leave people be. You look after you. They're the only people in danger of being killed.
굳이 매를 벌고 음식도 도로 뺏깁니다.
Keep your promise, asshole.
You think it was okay to leave them the other one?
And maybe he'll keep that promise.
Lucky for them, it was us.
Yeah. I am surprised you took back the noodles, though.
누군가 잠든 두 사람의 거처를 지켜보는데 그의 정체는 제이디스.
You think she's alone?
She's alone.
That's just rude. I saw the wreck.
끈질기게 추적한 덕에 결국 두 사람을 찾아냅니다.
Feeling.
Should have killed us while we were sleeping.
I didn't kill you in your sleep because I wanted to thank you. By dying here today, Alexandria will remain safe. It's the end of your story.
자신들의 약점을 쥐고 있는 제이디스를 죽이지 못하고 뒤쫓습니다.
Can't kill her.
Oh, we can! She robbed us of you being there to hold on!
Company.
재빨리 뒤쫓아보지만 제이디스는 이미 도망쳐버린 후
Hello. You look like a pile of hippo shit, sister.
I just need a little help. I'm being pursued.
제이디스는 CRM의 거처를 마련해준다는 미끼로 릭과 미슌이 구해준 사람들을 회유합니다.
The bases are spread out across the country. We need to know which one she hid it in. Maybe we can help her, and if we can't,
Then I can kill her.
두 사람은 핏자국을 따라가던 중 건물로 들어서게 되는데
I'm sorry. She promised she'd take us with her.
That's 4 on 2.
there's still time to roll this back.
No.
워커가 나타나며 아수라장이 되어버립니다.
talk.
Till I spill where I hid my file in Alexandria? You kill me, they're dead. I get killed by walkers. They're dead.
미쇼는 끝내 제이디스를 죽이지 못하고
It didn't have to be this way. All you had to do was leave. When Rick arranged for your escape, you look out for you.
약점을 가진 그녀는 계속 두 사람의 신경을 긁고 자신을 죽일 수 없게 협박하죠.
She's right, Rick. This can't end with us going home.
What's it gonna be?
And on one condition.
Michonne gets away, and I never tell them about Alexandria.
We got a deal?
We got a deal. Show yourself.
We lay down our weapons, lay down yours.
애초에 살려보낼 생각이 없었던 제이디스.
Drop it.
미쇼는 약을 구하러 떠난 척만 했던 거였죠.
The gun, or I will kill you.
결국 제이디스는 워커에게 물리게 되고
I couldn't lose another community. Back and forth. Alexandrians, CRM, the dossier.
죽을 때가 되어가니 개심을 합니다.
The
CRM? We're gonna stop them.
The CRM will bring the world back. Tell me you won't come after them.
And they must end.
You kept us alive for a reason.
I wish I died an artist. You told Gabriel you wanted to marry her. You wanted to give it to you. You weren't dreaming, Rick. Do what you said you would do.
그렇게 릭의 손에 최후를 맞이하는 제이디스.
Some point's just over that ridge.
Michonne, wait. Till my last breath, I am yours.
I'm yours.
CRM 기지를 찾아온 두 사람.
Then go home together.
어째서인지 릭만 보입니다.
You're really here.
Well, it was turbulence. We were struck by lightning. So thank you for bringing her in.
Now you brought in.
Why don't we just say it was Okafor?
권력의 중추로 올라선 손은 점점 더 이상해집니다.
Or show me the other way.
그 시각 누군가 CRM의 쪽문으로 들어오는데 곧장 제이디스의 방으로 들어갑니다. 방을 뒤지던 중 결국 제이디스가 남긴 문서를 찾아내는데 문서에는 릭과 미션에 대한 정보가 낱낱이 써 있었습니다. 한편 빌 소장에게 불려간 릭.
I want you to reflect on your life. You've made some extraordinary choices, Grimes. Has never been someone like you.
The CEP overview will begin imminently. Through CRM frontliner embeds living in Portland under false identities.
You said you saw what the federal forces did at the beginning.
They bombed the cities.
I evacuated our forces under the cover of night and let the dead overwhelm their troops.
My dad taught me sometimes things have to burn to bring things back.
The sword that kills is the sword that gives life. We've discovered million-strong dead masses out there. People now have 14 or so years left. Disease. And in the end, the most likely outcome is that we'll be cluttered with corpses.
What do you do, sir?
We're trying to beat the odds, Grimes.
빌 소장은 릭에게 앞으로의 계획을 말하며 본격적으로 회유하고
Omaha, we destroy it, along with its campus colony.
Once the operation on Portland begins,
미션도 CRM의 계획을 알게 됩니다.
bubble windows will be in blackout. The children will not see or hear what is happening to the city.
충격적인 사실을 알게 된 미션, 황급히 자리를 뜹니다.
And in 18 hours, we will take our final action. We will destroy Portland. You expecting a call?
That was Thorne.
Who's the person closest to you who's died in all of this?
My son.
What if I told you you would never have to suffer that kind of loss again?
릭의 사람은 보호해준다는 제안까지 합니다.
We will burn things to bring things back. Swear on the sword.
Swear on the sword.
하지만 릭은 회유에 넘어가지 않고 소장을 공격하고
Why did you come back?
We're not dead.
끝내 죽여버립니다.
Thorne, it's Grimes. Over.
Bill went to the woods to be on his own before the old hands. Over.
의심을 받지 않게 손에게 무전을 친 후 소장에 시체를 넣어 이동합니다. 핏자국을 보게 되고 순식간에 원킬 추가. 의심 많은 손에게 딱 걸려버린 릭의 거짓말.
We could just go.
What we have to do.
And this is the shit we do.
수류탄을 싣고 염소가스 창고로 온 두 사람.
This is the last little part. I forgot. And you gotta make sure she stays. She's not gone.
수류탄을 설치한 후 금방 죽인 두 사람의 몸에 수류탄 핀을 연결합니다. 두 사람을 막아서는 손.
Where's Bill?
Thorn.
Take off your helmets. Put your bag down. You are going to go back inside, and you are going to undo whatever you did. Keep going! This way! Pull the flag down over us!
폭발로 인해 순식간에 염소가스로 뒤덮여버린 CRM 기지.
I'll rush her. You get the other man.
You destroyed the whole world! Where is he? Turn around.
손도 죽을 때가 되어가니 갑자기 괘씸합니다. 가스로 두 사람은 탈출에 성공하고 CRM의 만행은 세계적으로 알려지고 지탄받게 됩니다. 릭은 자신을 포기하지 않은 미션 덕에 집으로 돌아오며 끝이 납니다.
You got him back?
You told me to.
You're the brave man?
I am. He is. But maybe you can call me Dad.